Hello everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about how you automate basically indicator based delta trading strategies. So here we are going to see that one of the strategies that we talked about earlier was the momentum precision strategy, and in that we can look at any of the different stocks that we have. So here we can look at Infosys, for example, or Asian Paints. And for example, in Infosys, if you click on Run Live, so I'm basically giving you an overview on how do you automate your trade, indicator-based trading with the delta trading part of it. So here it will be a 10-day, for example, time period. I want it fully automated, and I want to place order in options. So here I'll go down, and I'll also select that you want to have take profit and stop loss based on premium. So here we go down and see that the buy side and the sell side indicators are here. So for example, if I want to buy a call option based on, let's say, a premium closest to or premium more than or equal to, so I'm going to click on premium closest to. So here for a fact we know that premium of 0.5 is at ATM, and below that it is lesser and lesser and lesser. So for example, if I want to buy a delta option, I want to buy a strike price that has a premium of 0.3. So I can type 0.3 here, or I can type 0.4 if I want it closer to the ATM, or any of the other things that are there. So here, for example, if I click on this and I let it run, and for example, on the put side, I can do the similar thing of premium of delta closest to 0.3 or 0.4. So for example, there are even traders that want to have a delta neutral strategy. So for example, they want to deploy a strategy that goes either ways. That can be, so for example, 0.4 on the call side and 0.4 on the put side. So that is also deployable where if the buy side or the sell side trigger comes, then the system will check the option chain, and in the option chain, whichever strike price has the delta closest to 0.4, that strike price would be deployed. That strike price call or put will be bought based on the indicator of buy or sell. So here we'll click on 0.4 and 0.4 to have a delta neutral strategy basically. And we can have a stop loss based on, let's say, absolute value of PNL. So I'm going to I'm going to have a take profit of, let's say, 2000. And I'm going to have a stop loss of, let's say, 500. So here I can click on Run Live and deploy the strategy. So to repeat myself again, that based on your selection of delta here, and one thing to note is you don't have to. So we understand that the put side delta is negative, but the system will do it on its own. You don't have to put a negative sign here because that will only confuse the system more. And the system is made in such a way that it will automatically select the put side deltas when we select the same. So basically, this was how you can deploy delta based strategy from the indicator based system that you have selected. So you can deploy any indicator based strategy, and you can deploy the options from the delta part of it. So that is how KEEV can help you here. So if there are any other queries, you can put it on the comment section below, or you can call or message the number that has been provided. Thank you for joining us here today.